Welcome back. In this video, we're going to create some balloons in Microsoft Office. The first thing I would do though is I want to make sure that my resolution here is set to the highest value possible. And the way to do that is you go into File, Options, Advanced, and then just change the image size and quality to high fidelity. Okay, perfect. Now, we're going to just go into Shapes, and we're going to choose a callout. Okay. Just going to set that to fixed. Okay. Now, I'm just going to make this a little bit shorter. And then we're going to go right click, edit points. And then we're just going to pull this in, this white box in on each side. And then maybe just a tiny bit more. Perfect. Now I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. Okay. I'm going to select an additional shape. Just take a triangle if we can find one here. Perfect. All right. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to send it to the back. And we could also rotate this and make it straight, but I don't think we need that. I'm just going to resize it a little bit, maybe like that. Okay. Push it in more. Okay. So now we're going to highlight both of those shapes, and we're going to give it some gradient. Give some shading. Okay. Let's go and highlight them again. I'm going to go Shape Effects, Bevel, and we give it a little bit of depth. Now it still looks a little bit on the flat side. So what we're going to do, let's highlight them again. And let's maybe, we're going to group them first. Let's see. Shape, select objects, shape format, group. Okay. Now we can just move it off to the side. We're going to go, just a second. You have to click on the end of it to select everything. We're going to go Bevel, 3D Options, and then we're going to go into 3D Format. We're just going to, first we're going to play with this one here. The width, we're going to make it more spherical. There we go. Is that good enough? Let's see. That's good. I think a little bit. Yeah, we want it like that. I think that's good enough. That's one balloon. Close that. Now, move it back over here. We're ready to copy it and paste it. And we can actually go here. Let's paste a bunch of them. We're going to make a balloon bouquet. Here we go, shape fill. Going to make a yellow one. And I think we can put Probably should put some shadow on it. I can do it individually. It wouldn't hurt. Or some glow to it. Yeah, that looks a little bit nicer. This one, want some shadow. Why not? Okay. Let's put it behind there. Oops, we lost our little end to it. There we go. Let's go like this. Shape effects, shadow. Okay. Let's put it behind there. Tilt it a little bit more. Tiny bit smaller maybe. How's that? Let's grab another one. Oops. See, you have to grab the whole thing. Otherwise, you lose the end of it. Let's turn it around. I think orange one would be pretty decent. Let's see. I just want a different orange color. I think that's the one I want. Yeah. How's that? Wow. It's getting built up. Again. Let's grab this whole thing. Okay. Shape fill. Yeah, that's a nice red. I like the deeper, richer colors. They seem to work a lot better than the brighter ones with the shadows and the shading. Let's see. Let's throw that back there. And then I think we want, this way, grab this part here. I think a nice bright yet dark green would really come out nicely. Wow. We want it behind there. And then, what do you think? One more? Purple? Purple might be okay. Actually, and let's make this one a tiny bit smaller for perspective. Yeah, that's good. This one, let's see. Oops. We lost our little thing here again. Shape, there we go. Yeah, it's just down here. Or maybe up here. Maybe up here. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, maybe open that up a little bit. Oops. Always gotta grab the whole thing. Let me see here. Yeah, okay. That's better. Actually, maybe make it a little bit, the top part a little bit bigger. Oops. Not that way. Not that way. That way. It's in front. All right. Now, select objects. Oh, I want to add one more. Sorry. I want to add one more color. I want to add white. White seems to be a color that's good for the balloon with the shade. Shape fill. Maybe, let's just see here. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, let's take that one. Yeah, the outlines are pretty defined. You can make it a little bit thinner if you want. Let's just see if this balloon, I think it needs to be in the front. Bring forward. Sweet. Or maybe not. Maybe it looks good here. Yeah, It looks good here. I think I want that little end of it, of the blue one, to come down a bit. Just see. Just so we don't lose that. Make it stick out more. This one too. Oops. All right, now we're gonna select objects. Then we're gonna go group. How's that? Nice. Okay. Now, of course, the strings have to be added. And I don't know, it doesn't matter to me. You could probably do them yourself. You can try doing them yourself. Go like that. Oops. This is kind of curved. I'm not a fan of this. But let's just say, that's just for, yeah. I'd probably like to have the strings going to each balloon separately. So I'm not gonna use that. I don't like that. Let's go try shape. Okay. I'm gonna draw one, make it darker, thicker, and then I think also it's a little bit on the dark side, too dark side. I don't like it, so let's just see what we can do. Make it kind of less pronounced. That's good. That'll do. All right. Okay, that's one. Copy. All right. Oops. Kind of want it like that. Kind of all over the place. And maybe a tad darker. Yeah, that'll do. I'm gonna go select objects and then group them. All right. That's perfect for my needs. So that's how you make balloons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.